Yes. In previous class, I explained about polygon concept. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure having three or more line segments. Again, I'm stressing this word. Student, don't confuse. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up of three or more line segments. Not two, not one, not four. Three or more line segment is called polygon. Triangle is a polygon, rectangle is a polygon, octagon, pentagon is a polygon, but circle is not a polygon. Why circle is not a polygon? Because if any geometrical figure will form circular shape, that is not a polygon. After that, I explain what is triangle. Triangle is the closed geometrical figure bounded by three line segments. If we are joining three line segment, that is called triangle. Now, triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles. A triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles. After that, I told triangle is denoted by delta symbol. Then after I explain how to find out vertices, how to calculate sides, angles, interior point, exterior point, points on boundary. After that, I explain triangular region. The interior region along with the boundary of a triangle is known as triangular region. Then I have started in yesterday's class only classification of triangles based on sides. First, there are three types of triangles based on sides: scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle. What is scalene triangle? In a given triangle, if all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. That is called scalene triangle. Concentrate everyone here. Yeah. In previous class, I explained about scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? In a given triangle, if all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. Suppose I have drawn this figure 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. What is the name of this triangle? Scalene triangle. Because all the three sides are different. If all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. In a given triangle, if all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. Again, I am reminding students, if all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. Now, second key heading, isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. A triangle with equal, a triangle with two sides equal is said to be isosceles. Iso means two sides will be equal, that is called isosceles triangle. Note down concept. A triangle, a triangle with two sides equal, with two sides equal is said to be is said to be isosceles triangle. If two sides is equal, that is called isosceles triangle. Suppose I have drawn one triangle This triangle name is PQR. Length is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. What is the name of this triangle? Isosceles triangle, because two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, that is called isosceles. Two sides are equal means isosceles. Second figure I am drawing, student, concentrate here. This triangle name is two centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. What is the name of this triangle? Isosceles triangle. You are observing, students, if two sides are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. If all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. I hope, students, you are getting my point. In a given triangle, if two sides are equal, that is called isosceles triangle. Now, third key heading, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means if all the three sides are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. Note down. A triangle with all three sides equal. A triangle with a triangle with all three sides equal. All three sides equal. All three sides equal is said to be an equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides equal is said to be an equilateral triangle. We lost. Note down. A triangle with all three sides equal. All three sides equal is said to be an equilateral triangle. Draw this figure, everyone. Suppose this triangle name is RAN, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. All the three sides are equal. That is called equilateral triangle. In a given triangles, if all the three sides are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. If all the three sides are different, that is called scalene triangle. Yeah. Now down example first. Example first. Identify the triangle. Identify the triangles. Identify the triangle in the given figure. In the given figures. Identify the triangle in the given figure. Everyone draw this figure very clearly. Identify the triangle in the given figures. There are three figures are there. Figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. Tell me student, what is the first figure? Which triangle? All the three sides are different. 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. That is called what? Scalene triangle. First answer is what? Scalene triangle. Very good. Scalene triangle. What is second figure? all the three sides are same or different? Same. What is the name of that figure? Equilateral triangles. 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. If all the three sides are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. What is last answer? Two sides are equal and third side is different. What is the name of the triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is the name of the triangle? Isosceles. Why isosceles? Because two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. I hope students you are enjoying my class. Right. We have learned here, students, types of triangles on the basis of sides. Now we are going to learn types of triangles on the basis of angles. Keep heading. Types of triangles. Keep heading, everyone. Types of triangles. Yeah, classification of triangles on the basis of angles. There are three types of triangles. There are three types of triangles. There are three types of triangles on the basis of angles. First one is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle, or we can say acute triangle only, or acute triangle. Both are same. Acute angled triangle or acute triangle. Second one is right angled triangle. Third one is obtuse angled triangle. Or we can say obtuse triangle. Note down very clearly, everyone. There are three types of triangles on the basis of angles. First one is acute angled triangle or acute triangle, right angled triangle or right triangle, obtuse angled triangle or obtuse triangle. Write spelling very clearly, student. Now keep heading. Acute angled triangle. Keep heading, everyone. Acute angled triangle. First one. Acute angled triangle. What is the meaning of acute angle triangle? His name is what? Acute. Listen carefully, everyone. All students stop writing. His name is what? Acute angle triangle. What is acute angle? If angle is greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. Means whatever triangle they have given, if each and every angle is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. In a given triangle, if all the angles are less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. His name is acute. Less than 90, acute. Greater than 90, obtuse. Exactly 90, right angle. Note down. A triangle in which a triangle a triangle in which all the three angles are less than all the three angles all the three angles are less than 90 degree called acute angle triangle. Observe this figure, student. Suppose this triangle name is ABC. This angle is 60 degree. This triangle is 40 degree. This triangle is 80 degree. This triangle is 60 degree. Are you observing, students? Each and every angle is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. If each and every angle is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. Second figure. PQR, -70°, 50°, 60°. Each and every angle is less than 90° or not? Yes. If all the three angles are less than 90°, that is called acute angled triangle. Yeah, acute triangle. Student, one things you are observing here, whatever angle they have given, if we are adding, that answer is coming exactly 180°. 80 plus 60 plus 40, 180. 60 plus 50 plus 70, 180. That is called angle subproperty of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180°. That is called angle subproperty of triangle. You are observing here, each and every angle is less than 90°. But when we are adding this all the three angle, the answer is coming exactly 180°. Means the angle sum property of triangle, the sum of all the three angles of triangle is equal to 180°. Exactly 180°. If angle will come greater than 180, your answer, your triangle figure is wrong. That angle will always will become less than, sorry, not less than, is exactly 180°. That is, then only triangle will exist. If that angle is coming greater than 180 or less than 180, then triangle will never exist. I hope you got it. What is acute angle triangle? If all the three angles are less than 90°, that is called acute angle triangle. Now, second key fading, right angled triangle. Second key fading, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. A triangle in which right angle means at least one angle will be 90°. A triangle in which a triangle in which one of the three angles, means in the three angles, one angles is the right angle, is the right angle. Right angle means what? 90° angle. That is measures 90° is known as right angled triangle. Is known as right angled triangle. One angle will be always 90°. That is called right angle triangle. Underline this point. One angle is right angle. Observe this figure. If this name is ABC triangle, you are observing students here, angle B is 90° angle, straight angle. Vertically is there. This angle is 90-degree angle. $60 angle, 30-degree angle. You are observing, student, one angle is 90-degree. If one angle is 90-degree, that is called right angled. PQR, angle Q here 90-degree. $70, 20-degree. If one angle is 90-degree, that is called right angle. What is obtuse angle triangle? In a given triangle, if at least one angle will be greater than 90-degree, that is called obtuse angle triangle. In a given triangle, if one angle is greater than 90-degree, that is called